Hello, 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 hello. How are you? How are you? si. Ayan na. This one is for pizza. Look. And Sisi, she didn't eat all because she ate already his lunch, rice with laban, and nuggets with finger. Yeah, that's why. And me, I make my rice and with my chicken. And that's the life of my life now. What today? I'm always forgetting the day. Oh look, it's become too much hair na naman, assorted, na naman siya, na need na naman yan ng haircut, at sisir na naman yan ang mag-haircut. So same as usual, I finished na my work. Here just here in the kitchen to fix and to eat my lunch first, and then after the bathroom. Okay, so that's my life as a OFW, still working. Continue lang dahil ganito ang buhay. Maganda yung doon, maganda yung panahon yata. Ganun pa rin, same as usual. It's summer and it's hot, kaya ganun talaga ang buhay. Okay, so now I just make my what's that hair inside. Tingnan niyo naman yung suot ko. Ganito talaga ang buhay. But I'm telling always, I say thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you that you are always in my giving support in my beginning and this small channel that what I have. I'm very glad. Kahit pa paano, meron pa rin nanatiling nagsusupport and tumutulong sa akin from the beginning that what I have. One subscriber until now, one supporter until now, viewers from the beginning, one viewers and until now that what I have. So I'm very glad. Just go lang. That is already part of my life, part of my journey that while I'm still working as a OFW, as a housemaid in this earth, in this country. And I'm thank you. I'm say thank you for everything. Thank you for my employer. Thank you for my Madam and Sir and Sisi, the family of Madam and the family of Sir and the friends also, both of them. At least that they know me and her in Baghdad. Some viewers, some supporters, some watching of my channel that what I have. Even my videos is very simply, even the not clear video that I have, because I'm using only the old cell phone of my madam that as of what I use. So I'm just very glad, and I must be always say thank you. And to my old families in my hometown that are continue praying and still remember me and to say hi, hello in the time that this is also what's that to me, support to me. And I have only the remaining, I have a lot of brothers, I have about in life, but I have only a family, one brother I'm remaining. So good luck soul, good luck tol. Kung ano yung mga plano mo sa buhay mo, with your family, with your children, with yung mga lahat ng mga sister-in-laws na meron ako kasama sa mga cousins and relatives sa buong angka ng nanay at tatay ko. And sa hometown na ako na ang dami na nila, they are very, what's that, patient and kindness and thoughtful, obedience, everything that they have, that they're already belonging in the different kind of social media. So thank you YouTube company, thank you for the YouTube staff, thank you for the YouTube workers, thank you for the YouTube founder in the different countries that what we have here in the earth. that you are still continue and supporting mga beginning vlogger and the mga highest vlogger also that they have already. How rich they are and how lucky they are, and I wish na iingatan ninyo. Take care of that channel, that what you have, because that is bliss from above, and all of us, that is God will, and God provide everything whatever we need while we are still living in this earth, and have a good health, good everything. God provide everything while we are still living. That what I'm telling, I'm always repeating of my almost all videos, that what I have, short, regular, or live. And I'm very thankful mga that they are still helping mga some vloggers, some subscriber, not vloggers, not supporters, not viewers, or viewers that you are still giving time also. Thank you so much talaga. And now it's right time to eat na my lunch. Okay, so thank you again. I wish makalive ako mamaya. Ay, hindi ko na lahat masabi talaga, hindi ko na lahat roll call one by one, because even the all subscriber that I have, because ang dami-dami na, and what equipment I have only. Nakipagsingit na nga lang ako sa working time ko. That's why that is only my keep me smile of my of my daily worker, that sometimes to make it not stress, because I'm just relax, I'm just okay, but sometimes also my eyes pala, it's make me close stress. It's close eyes at the night time. Wala na, surrender na talaga yung eyes ko, especially at 8 o'clock na. I'm just I must be fighting the fear, what my eyes feel already. That's why sometimes I have in a bad mood na, because of my eyes, that it's close eyes na I talaga naman. Siguro because that's of my age already. That is part of my life. Okay? So once again, thank you. Yan o, yung cake, yung ano nila, yung pizza. You can order anytime of this one. So thank you again, and bye-bye. We just say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just simply life, that what we have. Okay, so keep safe lagi, and more blessings. Thank you, Lord, forever.